There's no way that we can get... Oh, are they?
Hey Ron, we're snowed in, mate. We might get home, not sure. Oh my god. Go ahead. Check this out, guys. We're on the major expressway from Haneda Airport into central Tokyo. It's a fucking dead zone. We can't even move. Got a kilometre traffic zone. Jam and no movement. We've been here for 2 fucking hours. We haven't moved. G'day Francis. Look at that. A Tokyo Expressway with no fucking traffic on it. Goes for 1 fucking kilometre, but it doesn't even move. People... Yeah, this is outrageous.
Shinjuku, yeah,
Okay.
from Shinjuku,
Chuo line.
What's it off the train?
Chuo line.
Yeah, yes.
Iidabashi station. Chuo.
And then you swap.
Oh, he's got an emergency phone.
Then Shinjuku and Yamanote line.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah, we
go.
know to get.
Pleasure.
We know how. So he's saying we can walk to the train station.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
the first train goes at 10 to 5, which is in 50 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. That's cool. Oh, I can take you there if you want. That's can take. She can come with the luggage, and I can take you on the train if you like.
We'll take our luggage, though.
You reckon?
Yeah, we got to repack.
What's going on? What's going on? Cutlet?
You tell me.
We can't speak Japanese. No Japanese.
Now, what's your name, mate?
Tsuga.
Matsuga.
Tsuga. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
yeah,
to meet you.
I'm Lee.
Yeah.
How long are you going to stay here? Are you going to stay here all fucking day or
2 hours.
2 hours? Then
2
walking?
hours.
Walking? Or sampo?
Sampo.
Okay. Okay.
So he's saying the first train out of here goes at 10 to 5. We can walk there in 30 minutes.
Yeah. The closest station?
And like Iidabashi station.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And the Chuo line, you like the Chuo line.
And then
Yes,
swap to
Iidabashi
the
station.
Shinjuku to
Yeah.
the Yamodi line.
Yeah. Yeah. Paul, how are you going? We're stuck in a fucking traffic jam, mate, from Haneda, and yeah, us guys are getting fucking pissed off.
We are pissed
And
off.
we've got one Japanese fucking standing up for his rights. Oh God, it's hilarious. Yeah, it's laughable. Yeah. Yeah. So can I, mate. So can I. Oh. far as the eye can see. It's not that far. Bring them on. Bring you on camera. Oh, you'll have, haven't I? Hold on. Oh God. You don't get to see this very often.
Only when we come to Japan.
An empty expressway. Wow. Anyway, I might sign off now. Can't be bothered holding the camera. I'll see you later and have a good day, everybody.